Well, hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm sure you missed me. So the other day, my friend Randall, my roommate, his phone stopped working and he decided to smash it. So here's what happened. Holy sh**. God damn. Oh my god. That's what I call a POS phone right there. So for those of you who live alone, you obviously know that there comes a day when you must clean everything. And I've noticed that, when I clean, it gets kind of dull when it's just cleaning, So when I clean, I like to listen to music, just because, I don't know, time flies by and it's much faster. Observe.
Get up off of that thing and shake till you feel better. Get up off of that thing.
It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun.
This is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe.
Sliding, you're burning up the quarter mile.
Feel stunning, and prancing, like running, and dancing, for unloved by a pretty, wonderful boy.
Yeah, I got a little carried away. So?